children, how are you all? I hope you have understood how to solve simple additions to digit. In my today's video, I am going to show you how to solve subtractions to digit. So let's begin. Children, before you start writing, listen to the instructions carefully and then start your writing work. First instruction, select an appropriate place for writing work, a place which has enough light and air. Second, use a writing table or a pad. Third, sit with your back erect. Fourth, sharpen your pencil before writing and put the shovels in the dustbin. Fifth, avoid using eraser. Sixth, keep a water bottle ready if you need to drink water in between. Visit the washroom before you start with your writing work. Seventh, write neatly. And last, eighth instruction, complete your work and show it to your mother for checking. Children, open new page of your notebook. Put a cross mark in the first box of margin. After margin line, leave a gap of 3 boxes and put 3 cross marks. Write date in the margin. You have to write below cross mark, and on the same line write name of the topic, that is simple subtraction into bracket 2 digit. Bracket completed. Write C dot W dot below the date, and now you have to follow TO pattern. Put a dot in the first box of margin line, then write the first time TO, leave 2 boxes, write the second time TO, leave 2 boxes and write the third time TO. Children, leave a gap of 1 box below TO and write the first example, that is 43, minus sign and number is 12. Now we have to keep smaller number in our mind. Smaller number 2 is in my mind, 3. So answer is 1. In tens place, keep smaller number 1 in mind and count the fingers 2, 3, 4. Answer is 3. Now next sum, the numbers are 69 minus sign, second number 34. Now you have to keep smaller number 4 is in your mind, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer is 5. In tens place, keep number 3 in your mind, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 3. So the answer is 35 of this example. Now next example, numbers are 76 minus sign 22. Here 2 is smaller number, so it is in our mind 3, 4, 5, 6. I opened 4 fingers, so answer is 4. Now in tens place 2 is in the mind and we have to count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 5. Now put a cross mark after answer and write TO again. Same pattern we are going to follow. Put a dot in the first box, then write the first time TO, leave 2 gap boxes, then write the second TO, then leave 2 gap boxes and write the third TO. Leave a gap of 1 box below TO and write next example, that is 53 minus sign and second number 23. Now 3 from 3. So the answer is 0. And 2 from 5. Smaller number 2 is in my mind. 3, 4, 5. 3 fingers I opened. So answer is 30 of this sum. Next example 87. Then minus sign and second number is 12. Now here 2 is smaller number. So it is in the mind. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I opened 5 fingers. So answer is 5. Now in here 1 is smaller number. So it is in the mind. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I opened 7 fingers. And that's why the answer is 75. Now next example. 71 minus 20. Okay, so 0 from 1, answer is 1. And 2 from 7, 2 is in my mind. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I opened 5 fingers, so answer of this example is 51. Put a cross mark below answers and write TO again. In the first box, put a dot, then write the first time TO, then put 2 dots in next 2 boxes, write the second time TO, then 2 dots in next boxes and the third time TO. Leave a gap of 1 box below TO and write the next example 56 minus sign 31. Here 1 is smaller number, so it is in the mind. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 5. And here 3 is smaller number, so it is in the mind. 4, 5. So answer is 2 in tens place. And the answer of this example is 25. Now next example, numbers are 66, then minus sign, and next second number is 56. 6 minus 6, 0. And 5 from 6, 5 is in the mind, and 6. So I open 1 finger and the answer is 10. Next last example, the number is 85 minus 53. Now here smaller number is 3, so it is in the mind. 4, 5. Answer is 2. And tens place 5 is smaller number, so it is in the mind. 6, 7, 8. I opened 3 fingers. So answer of this example is 32. Now put a cross mark below 20 or below the answer, and this way you have to complete the first classwork page. Children, I hope you have understood the method of solving subtractions. You have to complete CW from this video. I am going to post homework and another CW and homework pages in Google Classroom. It means that total you have to complete 2 CW pages and 2 HW pages. So children, complete the work and bye bye. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.